Hi friends, in previous video we have discussed about decimals, right? And we have discussed the types of decimals: terminating, non-terminating recurring decimal, and non-terminating non-recurring decimal. We have seen each and everything. Terminating decimal will stop, okay, and non-terminating decimal, recurring decimal will not stop. It has some repeated values. After set of the decimals, it will actually repeat its values, right? And non-terminating non-recurring will actually not have any repeated values after the decimal. So, okay, these are the things we have discussed in previous video. Today we are going to discuss one topic called criterion for rational numbers to be terminating decimals. Means what? So let us assume that I have given a number called rational number called 3 by 8. uh, can you say that this is a terminating decimal or non-terminating recurring decimal or non-terminating non-recurring decimal by seeing itself without calculation? That means without solving. Can you do this? No, right? But we have one shortcut. So any rational number, if you can represent it in this form, okay, p by 2 power n into 5 power m, where p belongs to integers, n comma m belongs to whole numbers. Okay, if you can represent this particular rational number in this particular format, where p should be integer, n and m should be whole numbers, then you can say that that particular rational number will be a terminating decimal without calculation. Suppose let us assume that 3 by 8 is given. So can you write 3 by 8 has 2 cube into 5 power 0. 2 cube means 8, 5 power 0 means 1, 8 into 1 8. So 3 by 8. P is a integer, n and m are whole numbers. So each and every condition is getting satisfied, right? So that's why without calculation you can simply tell that this is a terminating decimal. Simply you can tell that this is a terminating decimal. How, sir? I am not getting clarity. Let us do in our old fashion. Let us try. First of all, check it. So 8, this is 3, right? So if you keep 0, what is this? 8 3s are 24, right? What you are going to get? If you get 1 here, 6, right? 60. 60 means 8 7s are 56. Again you are going to get 4, 40. 8 5s are 40. So it is getting terminated. That means 0.375 is the answer for this particular 3 by 8 rational number. That is nothing but it is a terminating decimal. So you can see without calculation we got to know that 3 by 8 is a terminating decimal when, if it is following this particular condition, this condition, p by 2 power n into 5 power m, where p is an integer, n and m should be whole numbers. If this particular condition is satisfied, then we can say that it is a terminating decimal without calculation itself. Let us check one more example. Suppose let us given 2 by 7 by 250. Okay, let us write how you can do 255 table, right? 5 5s are 25, 5 10s are 5 2s are, so 5 cube into 2, so 7 by 2 into 5 cube. So here nothing but is 1, right? So here again we have getting a format of p by 2 power m into 5 power m, right? So this 7 by 250 is also a terminating decimal because we are able to write 250 in the form of 2 into 5 powers. Okay, so that's why it is a terminating decimal. Clear? We will see one more example which is not a terminating decimal. Suppose that is 8 by 75. Let us take 8 by 75. So if you do 8 by 75, 75 in the sense what? 5 1s are 5, right? So 2, so 5 5s are, again it is 5 3s are, so 5 square into 3 it is getting. So 5 square into 3 it is getting, but in our condition 2 should be there, right? So here we are not able to get the 2, so we can simply say that this 8 by 75 is not, it cannot be expressed in the form of p by 2 power n into 5 power m. So this 8 by 75 is not a terminating decimal, is not a terminating decimal. That means it is what? It is non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay, so with this condition we can come to an idea without even solving that whether it is a terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal. Clear? This is very important. By this shortcut you can simply able to tick your answers within a short time. Clear? Thank you.